How to shoot this flat pendant pants rack. 3D three-dimensional modeling. The secret lies in this trouser support plate. First, put the 4-pole pants rack, 2-section metal elbow, connect together. Outside, put on 17 centimeters and 20 centimeters foam tubes. Threaded mouth of metal pipe, basically flush with foam. Put a gasket on the telescopic rod thread. Put it on again. The foam on it won't slide. Hip and thigh sides. To achieve a smooth effect, connect the longest telescopic rod again, and then one end of this trouser support plate. There are 2 threaded joints, made of multiple foam rings of different diameters. Combined, nested layer by layer, can fit different calibers of trousers. The function of this pull ring is to, when the trouser mouth diameter is large, hard to grasp, pull the ring to stretch the trousers. Pinch the last section of the telescopic rod to rotate. Install the support plate under the telescopic rod. There is no need to install foam tubes on the telescopic rod. Foam on the trousers. Open it with the trouser support plate. Hang the waistband on the waist elbow first. Completely open. Put the trouser tube on the trouser support plate. Tie a few needles around the front and rear to fix the trousers. Then stretch the trousers. Here at the trouser rack and trouser hips, support a foam rod. In this way, the crotch of the pants can be pushed up. The back crotch can only be flat on both sides. Stuff a piece of foam in your pocket. Attention! It should be placed along the bulging position of the trousers. Maintain continuity of bulging. Later, liquefy the waist and buttocks. It's ready to film.